I said screwdriver. Is this screwdriver? Give me screwdriver. Give me screwdriver. Too fast. 20 years.
Hey!
Wait a minute.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hello, what's up, lady on black?
Okay.
My name is Nature. Actually, I'm actually new around this area. Please, can I know your name?
I'm Mandy.
Wow, Mandy, what a beautiful name. Wow, I'm actually new around this area. I actually came to fix my car over there, you understand? So that's my mechanic over there, you understand? So I would have loved to have your number, but I left my phone in my car. Please, can I just give you my number so you could call me?